Hey, how's it going, beautiful people of YouTube? My name is Khalid and I'm so happy to see you here. And this is gonna be the first video of our comprehensive introduction to Cinema 4D. Therefore, we're gonna see what Cinema 4D looks like at first sight. I know that most people, when they see Cinema 4D for the first time, they're gonna be like, what? And it's totally understandable, because if I were to be honest, I would either be amazed or shocked by the number of the available options and menus. However, do not worry about that too much, because if you follow along with my videos, you're gonna have a solid knowledge base to get you up and running with Cinema 4D. I'll start by saying that these menus right here do not really interest us, as we are just starting. And here you can see the selection tools and the modification tools as well, like rotation, scaling and positioning. And here you can see the selections for the 3D models, like point selection and edge selection and polygon selection as well. And here is the list of the modifiers. And here's the list for the NURBs. And here's the list for the basic splines. And here's the list for the object modification. And here is the list for the quick model creation. We'll be going through utilizing and understanding each and every single modifier and NURB in Cinema 4D in our future videos. And I think that this was it for today's video. I hope it wasn't so boring. And like I said, I'll upload daily videos, so make sure to subscribe in order not to miss out on any of our videos. Thank you.